Alright guys, I got Josh's brand new G80 M3 come in. We're going to lower it today and put a set of wheel spacers on it. We chose H&R lowering springs, and then when we get done with our part, Josh is a very big community guy, so we will take it from our shop and I will take it to Josh Brooks at the pad, and he's going to fabricate a custom exhaust and install some high flow downpipes for it.
Josh picked this car up 4 days ago?
They called him, said it was in, he flew out, grabbed it, drove it straight to here over the weekend, and then it came to us today.
You said custom exhaust?
Yes. There's a trunk full of parts that he's already had before he ever got the car, waiting.
This man's is ready to go.
If you don't know Josh and the OKC community, he also has a Viper that makes 4 digits, so he's all about car mods. Alright, I'm going to pull all the wheels, and we'll pull all the strut braces for up front and the trim off the top so I can access the top hat. There's some electrical connectors and things of underneath behind the wheel on the strut that I got to pull loose. We'll drop it out, swap the springs out, reassemble it. Here, these off. Alright, we just finished installing the front. I'm getting ready to move on to the back. Anytime that you buy springs such as H&R, these are the stock dampeners. They'll send their own supplied with the lowering springs that are shorter, a little narrower, so you don't bottom out being that the car's lower. Alright, getting ready to start on the back of these. They're pretty simple. I'm going to pull this inner bolt, shock bolt, and I'll put a pull jack under here, and I'll slowly let this control arm down. It can pivot on the alignment point, drop the spring out, put the new one in, put the bolts back in it, it's done. Are you gonna help? Are you? You gonna help put these springs in, Rue?
Okay, so right now we're putting spacers on the wheels, behind the wheels, putting the wheels back on, and dropping the car back down.
Alright guys, we just wrapped up the suspension install, got it off the lift. I'm just going to put the trim back on and get ready to ship this thing out of here. Overall stance looks great. It is going to settle some after we drive it and get the suspension dropped in. Link will be in the description for the channel for all the parts and anything that you can purchase for this car.